This is Dunnock Studio. It's all a bit quiet at the moment because it's winter. This is where our Dunnocks and sparrows live. This is the back deck where in the summer we have chairs and we sit out here and have coffee. We're going to have a pond put in here to encourage more wildlife. And that is our view out the back. Get some fabulous sunsets here. Hi everybody, I've brought you into Dunnock Studio to have a little look around. I've just finished a workshop and I've done a clean up, so I thought it's a good opportunity to show you it when it's tidy. Well, relatively tidy. So we'll start with the untidy bits where I do my admin and various other bits and bobs there. And over here we've got a view down the driveway. It's a bit wintry at the moment, so there's no sun or anything nice to see. And above my desk I have a few pictures and things. TV in case I want to watch any YouTube videos or have a look at something in more detail. And today we were working on different techniques, including negative painting, just a little exercise there. Also have this beautiful view out the back, which you saw earlier. And come summer, we might get a chance to sit on our lovely deck, watch the world go by. So if I come back here and show you, I'll do a wide angle. That's the sort of setup I have. Maximum of 2 learners in the studio at a time. So if you like to paint in a very small group or singly, this is the place to come. If you prefer bigger groups, I run those at the village hall, which is not even a quarter of a mile away, so not far away. In the background there's various paintings I've got that are drying. As you can see, I work in oils, watercolours, acrylics, all sorts of things that I just randomly pop up there to dry. I get inspired by going to art galleries and usually come home with a postcard. Try and see the real pictures if you can. It's not always easy, is it? And the postcards are just a reminder. Of course, photographs, etc. will also help. So I hope you found that interesting. It's just to give you a flavour of what it's like when I'm doing my filming. It's all done in here and all my equipment is in here. So Dunnock Studio, I hope you liked it. Take care, bye for now, happy painting and see you soon.